If you've ever tried fitting a week's worth of clothes into a carry-on suitcase or struggled with a closet that's bursting at the seams, vacuum storage bags might just be your new best friend. These little space-saving wonders help reduce bulk, protect your clothes, and make both travel and home organization so much easier. Whether you're prepping for a holiday or just trying to regain control of your wardrobe, there's a perfect vacuum bag out there for you. In this video, I'm walking you through the 7 best vacuum storage options available right now. And yes, they're all great picks for anyone living or traveling in Europe. You'll find all the product links in the video description. Let's jump in. We're kicking off with the 8-bag set from Vacbird. This one comes with an electric pump included, which is a huge time saver if you don't want to spend ages manually squeezing out air. You get 2 extra large bags, 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small, so you're covered whether you're storing bulky duvets or just trying to compress socks and t-shirts. I'm really impressed by how quickly these bags seal and shrink. The pump has solid power for its size and is incredibly easy to use. The only downside? It does make some noise, so it's not ideal for midnight packing. But if you're someone who regularly switches out seasonal wardrobes or packs for long trips, this set does the job brilliantly. The fact that you can vacuum one bag in under a minute without effort makes this kit stand out for me. Next up is the 5-pack from Amazon Basics. This is a simpler, no-fuss option, but it's surprisingly reliable. It includes a manual pump, and while it's not as fast as the electric one from Vacbird, it's fine if you're not in a rush. The bags are medium-sized and have a clear, transparent design with a blue seal, so you can easily see what's inside. What stands out here is the quality of the seal and the plastic. It feels durable and not like it'll tear after 2 uses. These are super easy to fold up and store when not in use. That said, they might be a bit too small for larger bedding, but for regular clothes, weekend trips, or just swapping seasonal outfits in your wardrobe, they're a very solid budget choice. And being from such a well-known brand, it's easy to get replacements or support if needed. If you want something a bit more complete, the 8-bag set from Swoo is a brilliant pick. It also includes an electric pump and offers a mix of sizes: 2 jumbo, 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small. What I really like is the valve and seal system. It feels very secure. Unlike the Amazon Basics set, these bags can handle duvets, pillows, and other bulky items with ease. I'd say this is an excellent option if you're moving house, packing a car full for a road trip, or trying to free up serious wardrobe space during seasonal changes. The electric pump is a touch quieter than the Vacbird's, though slightly slower. Overall, it hits a sweet spot in terms of quality, usability, and variety. If you're looking for a one-stop solution without spending a fortune, this is it. Now, if you want to go big, the 14-bag set from Monami is exactly what you need. This one also comes with an electric pump and offers a massive range of sizes. With 14 bags, you can really organize things. Winter gear in one group, kids' clothes in another, linens in their own set. It's ideal if you're into categorizing and keeping things ultra-organized. The bags are a bit thinner than Swoo's, so you'll want to be a little gentler when handling them, but the pump works fast and effectively. This set is especially good for families or people living in small flats where every inch of storage matters. I'd also recommend it for holiday rental hosts. Having a way to store extra bedding without taking up an entire cupboard is a huge win. If you need bulk storage and love to stay organized, this one's got you covered. If you're the type who wants to reuse without fuss, the TPU reusable bag from Antois is a smart option. This one's a single bag made of durable TPU material, built to last much longer than standard plastic vacuum bags. There's no pump included, but you can roll it to push the air out, making it perfect for backpackers or frequent travelers who don't want to carry extra gear. Picture this: you're on a hiking trip and need to compress your clothes inside a rucksack. This bag saves the day. It's washable, holds its shape after dozens of uses, and still works like new. Not the cheapest if you only need one, but the lifespan more than makes up for it. Ideal for anyone who values reusability and wants gear that won't quit. Now let's shift to something different. A travel backpack with a built-in vacuum compression system. This isn't just a storage bag, it's a full backpack designed to maximize space. Imagine a short business trip, a couple of shirts, a pair of trousers, undergarments, and a light jacket, all fitting neatly because you can compress it all right inside the backpack. There's no need to carry a pump or separate bags. It has well-designed compartments, feels comfortable to carry, and fits into most overhead compartments on flights. The design leans more urban than rugged, so probably not the best for hiking, but as a carry-on, it's incredibly smart. And if you need even more room with less lifting, The rolling backpack version with built-in vacuum storage is ideal. This combines internal compression with wheels so you don't have to carry anything heavy but still make the most of your space. The compression works with a simple zip system, no pump needed. Yes, it's a bit heavier when empty due to the wheel structure, but for long trips, family holidays, or train travel where you need to maximize every centimeter, it works like a charm. I can picture a family packing toys, winter jackets, a few blankets, all fitting nicely inside without turning to bulky suitcases. Comparing these side by side, I'd say the Swoo set offers the best balance of variety, quality, and practicality. It's more versatile than Amazon Basics, which is cheaper but more limited. Vacbird and Monami both include electric pumps, but Monami wins on quantity, while Vacbird uses slightly sturdier materials. For travel solutions, the backpacks with built-in compression, whether shoulder style or rolling, are both great if you want to skip external pumps altogether. And if durability is your top concern, Antois TPU bag is practically indestructible. Think about how often you'll use them. If it's just for one trip a year, keep it simple and affordable. But if you switch wardrobes seasonally or travel often, it's worth investing in higher capacity sets. If noise matters to you, go for the Swoo pump, which is quieter than most. Also, consider storage. Some sets fold down into tiny pouches, while others take more space when not in use. And if you want zero maintenance, compression backpacks are the most grab-and-go option out there. Let's wrap it up with a quick guide to help you choose what's best for your needs. If you're storing bulky items like duvets, blankets, or heavy coats, go with Swoo or Vacbird. They're reliable, powerful, and include electric pumps. For occasional use or everyday clothing, Amazon Basics is affordable and easy to use. Need high volume and tight organization? The 14-bag Monami set is ideal for families or anyone short on storage space. If you travel light and want convenience, the vacuum compression backpack is brilliant, perfect for business trips or weekend getaways. And if you prefer wheels over weight, the rolling version offers space and comfort in one. Finally, for long-term use and total reusability, Antois TPU bag is your best bet, especially for hikers and campers. All the product links are in the description if you want to check current prices or learn more. If this helped you find your perfect storage setup, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What kind of trip or storage challenge are you planning for? See you in the next one.